Welcome back, everybody. Trying a new angle here today to see if I can't give you a different view of this Miller's Falls number 8, which is similar in size to the Stanley number 3. And if you recall on my last video, I was trying to explain to you that when you have a plane blade that has a lot of pits on the face of the iron, what you end up getting is very much similar to what you would have if you had nicks in your blade. See that? See how it looks almost like it's being cut apart? Well, that's because you have breaks in the cutting edge. Now, will it still cut? Yes, it will still cut. Can you get through a task? Perhaps. But you'll never get a smooth finish because you can feel on the wood, you can feel little ridges. Let's see if I can show you that. You can see, probably can't see it. There's little tiny ridges where each of those pits are on the blade. And so it won't make for a good glue surface. It won't make for a good finished edge. See that? So I hope this helps explain that for some of you. I just ordered up a replacement blade for this plane, and I did not buy the most expensive, but I also did not buy the $1.05 blade from China. So that's about it, everybody. I hope this helps, and check back in future videos when I get that replacement blade in, and we'll get the plane fettled up a little bit more. I did flatten the sole somewhat. Get some of that wax off of there. And for the most part, it is now flat. It's got a little, where are you? I'm not good with cameras. You see right around the mouth, it's pretty much flat in the front, all the way through to the rear. But right in here, still got a little more work, but for right now, it is more than good enough. Head out to your workshop. Go look at your shavings. If you see them breaking apart like this, you know you have a nick in your blade. Time to resharpen. Bolter out.